Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome device. It is a Remos callus shaver. Out of stainless steel. It is made of stainless steel. This is really awesome. You have a quick and safe device there. With the Remos callus shaver, the callus can be removed safely and, of course, quickly. But every time you are using that Remos callus shaver or all other callus shavers, take care of yourself, because there is a blade. There is a blade installed in this device, and this is so sharp that if you do not take care by using this, you can cut yourself. Take care of it. You have a high quality device here. The callus shaver is made of stainless steel and is also very durable and robust. The blades. The callus shaver will be delivered complete with a replaceable blade. You can use the blade on two sides. That means you can use it a couple of times until one of the blade sides is not more sharp enough. Then you can rotate it 180 degrees and continue working with it. After this, you can replace it by a new one. The length is 16 centimeters. These are 6.3 inches. It is a callus shaver made out of stainless steel, and the length is 16 centimeters. Oh, this is nice. But what is a callus shaver? A callus shaver, also called a credo knife, is a tool for the medical and cosmetic removal of a callus, mainly on the feet or sometimes on your hands. But it's the focus is the feet. Technically speaking, its function is the abrasive treatment of hyperkeratotic skin lesions. The callus shaver consists of a handle, which is usually arched, and a blade made of ceramic or metal. In this case, it is a metal blade. Because the shaver is very sharp, injuries can result from careless use. Before you can start to work with it, give your feet a bath. About 10 minutes. This will be enough. We only want a little bath, not a 1 hour bath, okay? So, the blade is installed, the sharp device is ready to use, and you can see the callus. Not there is a callus, not over there. Only the callus areas you have to work with this callus shaver. For this reason, the shaver, because of it's so sharp, for this, it is illegal in some states of the United States. Really, it's forbidden to use it or to buy this callus shaver in the United States of America. In some states of it. But in Germany, it's no problem. Great Britain, no problem. All around Europe, I think it's not a problem. A cellulitis infection is possible if the skin is cut, especially if the shaver is shared with other and not properly sterilized. You can sterilize this callus shaver because it is made out of stainless steel. It's no problem to sterilize this. In very severe cases, there will be some trouble, because if you're going too deep with this callus shaver into your skin, you can hurt it. You can harm a little bit of it, and this is not good. So take care of it and only remove the upper layers of your skin with it, and do not continue this each day. Let your skin relax a couple of days, and then you can continue with the callus shaver. Treatment with the callus shaver should involve the user in a long-term care plan. Calluses are usually several skin layers deep, which means that the treatment must be repeated several times on the affected areas. If it is to remain callus-free. However, there should be a period of a few days between the individual treatments, otherwise skin irritations and/or an even thicker callus may occur. So take care. Let your skin chill a little bit. But here you can see it's really easy to use this callus shaver to get the skin out of it, the callus skin. Yeah, slide over the skin and remove the callus immediately. Job's done. Okay, here is not the job's done. Each area has to be used the callus shaver, and if every area of the callus is prepared, then job's done. Here it is only a short DIY thing for you. So you can see in the center, this callus is removed, the upper layer is removed. We will continue this with the all areas, and after this, take care, let it chill a little bit, job's done. Yeah, really easy to use. The callus shaver should not be confused with a food file, which is used during the after treatment of working with a callus shaver. The callus shaver and other instruments date back to the instruments mentioned by Frenchman Nicolas Laurent Laforest in the 1782 book. Oh yeah, history. So now let's replace a used blade. You can see at the back side of the callus shaver, you have a metal plate installed there. And this metal plate will hold your callus shaver blade into position. Here, let's rotate it, and you can see there it is. On the other side, it is clamped into the callus shaver. The metal plate is clamped into the callus shaver, and between these two metal plates, there is a blade. So take care of your fingers if you remove the blade, and do not cut yourself. You can slide from the upper side to the bottom side, no problem. But at the different side, the callus shaver will cut you. So take care of it. Now, go down with the metal plate on the back side. Here we are. Let's slide it out of the clamp area and remove the blade with the metal plate. Here we are. Good job. Now you can see there is a blade. The blade has two sharp areas. Here, right, and on the left side. Don't touch on the blade area. Only touch on the upper and bottom side of the blade area, not on the sharpened way. Here you can see the blade holding system is placed, but it is only working with the blade. If the blade is installed, it will clamp these two metal plates together to form a callus shaver. Yeah, this is a mechanical thing between the callus shaver. So now let's install a new blade or rotate your blade 180 degrees, because your razor blade has two sharp areas. In the center, there is the area to get it on your metal plate. And here you can see now we are docked into it. Good job. And you can see there is a curved area and a not curved area. And the curved area has to be installed on the upper side of the callus shaver. Here we are. And get it in position. Now you can see the callus shaver is ready to remove them callus again. Every time, take care of your fingers, take care of your skin, and don't cut yourself. So here we are. You can see it is really easy to remove. and it is really easy to dock it back into position. The only thing you have to think about is, do the edge, the rounded edge on the upper side of the callus shaver, and the blade has to be in the center area. So here you can see 180-degree rotation, it's no problem. Get it in position, and you can see now we are assembling it back in position. Because only one side of the metal plate, there will go the blade over it, and the other side is protected. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Now the callus shaver is ready for new action and ready for new adventures on some callus areas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.